Yeah!
Enter, stop that one. What's with that now?
Sorry, sir.
The chicken injection.
Sorry. Sorry. Bros, I beg no vex o. I wan ask you something.
You wan ask me something? I na wetin you go talk since now. I no know the way they do like person wey dey chicken injection. Wetin be that?
Bros, I beg, when I fall down for your something chook me.
Something chook you?
Be like rock. Be like
rock. Be like wetin again?
E hard. Be like rock. Be like bottle.
So you want tell me say my body be like rock?
Bros, no.
Which kind of insult be that one now?
Bros, no be so serious. That thing enter me well and I feel am o. I no lie.
Wetin you dey feel?
Bros, you know wetin I dey talk about now.
See, make I tell you. If you talk before say the thing be like rock, abeg, I no carry rock for body. Na wetin God create give me be that.
Omo, bros, God really try for your matter o.
God try for my matter? Okay, God don't try for your own.
Bros, no be so. You supposed to understand now. Why they do like small pikin?
I no understand. Na wetin I wan make you. I want make me understand.
And bros, that thing go like test am o.
You never see anything.
No, your leg devil, no use.
You want test am? So you mean say you want test?
I want your dogu. I go like test am. That rock, I wan feel am well. The one I feel am, e no reach me. I wan feel am well.
Just like that.
Abeg.
See, that was it for talk before now. If I go straight to the point, no be say you come dey do like this.
No vex.
No
vex.
See, the problem now be say I no sabi. See, me I no too sabi this area o. So I no know where we fit do am now.
This place go dey okay o. We no go even pay money.
This place? I move again.
Bros.
No, dey front. I know the like. And now I know where you want to see me.
Hey, because I swear you too sweet.
I see?
I swear you sweet.
Can't take sweet again.
Bros, thank you.
See, abeg, no dey tell me that kind of stuff. Which one besides sweet?
Bros, serious.
You go tell me say, see, bros, you sabi do. Which one besides sweet? I be sugar.
Bros, na easy. You sabi do. Na this work fit you. Be like say you go dey do hook up.
Which kind of play be that one? I can't dey go.
Bros.
Can't dey go now. Me fuck up.
No,
if you say I no do that now, if you no insult me, can't dey go now.
Bros, no be so cool down now,
I know what. I know the best again. If I get, I go the best for you. I dey go,
Bros, thank you,
Thank you very
much.
God
bless you.
At least now, don't confirm and say that thing now. Wetin God create by himself.
Nah, God really give you odogu. God really give you better odogu.
Alright now, bye. Now this side they go that time.
Bros. I bet next time. I wish to see you next time.
They go now. Your body to the scratch you. Bye.
Regardez ce qui va se passer ici.
I want withdraw. I need some cash. Give me cash now. Why are you laughing? Don't you like what you see? Why are you laughing? What is this? This is the way God creates me now. When I'm doing this thing, give me cash. You can't confuse in the shop. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure.
So you need that much?
2,000 naira.
2,000.
Be fast. I'm heading to somewhere, please. Do my this thing. I'm heading somewhere. Am I confusing you?
I'm telling you, I'm confused. Jesus Christ. What is this? Is it free or what?
Okay, if you don't have cash, just give me my card. Just give me my card.
I like what
like what you see. Okay?
No, don't look at your hair. Take out.
You like what you see? Are you sure you can handle what you see? You wanna feel it? But you are your business shop now. Well, give me my card. You don't have cash. Give me my card. This is the third time you're asking me how much I need. I want to withdraw.
Want to withdraw for
2,000 naira, madam.
2,000. Are you sure? Or I should give you 2,000?
Yeah, if you can touch me, that would be good.
Okay, please, I've not done this before. It's because of the situation. That's why I'm doing this. Please let me go.
Go where? No worry, now bet in the sweet bar.
Let's start what
Open up.
Baby, lie down low.
Madam, it's sweet, oh. This is my payment, for the knack. Thank you,
blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
What have I done with myself?
What's going on here?
Bob is not what I'm thinking.
It is what you're thinking. No, you're not the father of my unborn child.
Bonbon, I'm coming.
Where are you going to? Will you leave me here?
No, I'm coming now, I'm coming.
How far money?
Hello, Alaji. Now Pablo they talk. Hey, you go buy this mouse. I won't sell them. Any amount.
My heart is beating fast. My heart is beating fast.
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
Oh man.
Direto, mucha.
Toma.
Are you playing? What type of play is this?
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.